Hello, in this video I want to show you how to find what login options are available for the Towers of Fantasy. So in order to do this, let's log out by going to our settings, and right here switch accounts, log out, OK. Now the game should load with a starter and we'll be able to see all login options. So here they are. You can use normal account. There's also Twitter, Facebook, Google Play. And this is the guest mode, so you can use it without giving any details like email address, and there's also Line. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.